Hello everyone, how's it going? My name is Jay France, lovely to meet you. Welcome to my music teaching page. I've been teaching music for over 20 years, passing a lot of my students with all their grades. I've got 100% success rate. I've worked in secondary schools, primary schools and one-on-one tuition as well. I teach guitar. I also teach drums, drum kit, and I also teach vocal lessons. And I also specialise in songwriting and live performance. With also over 15 to 20 years live performance behind me, I'm the perfect person to teach you. If you want to have a teacher from someone that's actually out there doing it now, I've played all kind of clubs, including all the little social clubs, all the way up to, amazingly, last year I got the chance to play Wembley Arena with my band that I'm currently still gigging with and playing all the biggest venues all over the UK and Europe. So if you want to be taught guitar, drums, vocals, songwriting by someone that's actually doing it now within the industry, do get in touch today. Also, I just want to talk a little bit about how music is amazing for your mental health. I have currently some clients at the moment that purely just do it for their mental health and how music makes them feel. So all different kind of reasons to have music lessons, but I've just given you a few there. And also, if you just want to do it for fun as well, yes, we can do the grades, we can go through all your modes, your scales, your music theory, but if you just want to pick up the guitar for fun and try it out and sing a couple of songs and have some fun weekly sessions, then do get in touch. Anyway, that's enough of that, and I hope to see you soon. Thank you very much, and all that's left to say is keep on keeping on.